Hola, chamas y chamos. I'm Alvaro Sabu. I'm a content creator, dev role at Storyblok, and also I'm the author of TresJS, which is an ecosystem in Vue. It's a Vue custom render API that allows you to create 3D experience using the framework you love. I want to invite you all to the Vue.js Nation, where I'm going to host a talk about TresJS. I'm going to share how we started the project and how is it going. It's completely free. It's on the 24th and 25th of January. Make sure you go and say hi there.
How did you decide to create TresJS?
So I was looking for a solution that allowed me to create 3D experiences using the framework I like. So for Vue.js, there were some packages that were already doing that. The problem was that they were really difficult to maintain because they were manual. So the idea, I got inspired by React Fiber, and they have this custom renderer. So there was nothing similar to it in the Vue ecosystem. And that's where I decided to try it out. It was my first big open source project. So I started like trying to replicate it. I got help from the authors of React Fiber to do a POC, and then everything started going from that point. Like we had something working, and the rest is the story.
What would you like to see more of in the Vue.js ecosystem?
I would like to see more of WebGL, like 3D and XR, like VR and AR. That's something that we also have in our site in ThreeJS to help the community to get started with. I think the more projects get involved into this 3D immersive experience, the better. It's something that I would love to see more on the Vue.js community.
What are the three essential Vue.js tools a developer needs to use in their application?
So I have three favorites that I always recommend to everyone that is working in Vue. The first one is Vue use. In TresJS, we use it a lot. And when I say a lot, just basically the loop that is running the renderings is actually a function from Vue use. So we use it everywhere. And that's something that allows, like it's a package that gives you a lot of different composables and makes your life easier. It's developer experience based. So I totally recommend it. The other one are more like framework agnostic, but are from the community as well. So the first one is NI. It's a package from Anfu that allows you, no matter what your package log, like your package manager is, if you run it, it will identify it by the log and then run the correct package manager for that project. That's really helpful. And last but not least, I'm a huge fan of all the Vite plugins out there to enhance, like auto importing, for example. If you're not using Nuxt directly, you can have all the magic of auto importing components or directories, like the composable directory, using the auto imports. Also for like icons, for example, I use a lot the Vite plugin for icons to get them into my projects. So that's the ones that I totally recommend for new users.
Share with eager minds your advice for staying focused and motivated as a developer.
So one of the advices that I always give is like sometimes in our normal work, like in our 8 hours work, we don't have chance to test all the tools that we want or the technologies that we would like to use. So I'm a big fan of side projects. ThreeJS used to be a side project, it still is. So you learn a lot by doing a side project on the technology that you like, and you stay motivated, and even a lot of the ideas that you get from your side projects, you can start implementing it in your actual work. So it gives you a lot of food for thought and also a lot of good possibilities to enhance your professional career.
If you had to ask Evan Yu one question, what would it be?
If there were a library or a package on the Vue.js ecosystem that you could change seats with the author for one day, what would it be?